Thank you very much for the organization, for having me this opportunity to present my work. I'm Juan Rodríguez. I'm a teacher and software developer. And well, I started to develop a project which is called LearningML in the beginning of 2019. The project was intended to teach and learn machine learning fundamentals, which are the technique or the technique more used right now in artificial intelligence. A first functional version was ready in March of 2020, and today the tool is being used by students and teachers all over the world, as the statistics show. So, as I have said, LearningML is an open source. The main characteristic of the project is that it's an open source educational platform intended to learn and teach machine learning fundamental. It has been built on the well-known design principle of low floor and high ceiling. I think all of you know well what does mean this principle, so I won't explain them. But basically is that the tool must be very simple to use. In addition, perhaps the main characteristic, the main functionality is that no external AI service are used, since all the needed ML algorithms run locally in the browser, and no registration is needed. So these are the main characteristics, the main functionality of the tool. In 2021, together with my colleagues, Marcos Roman, Jesus Moreno, Gregorio Robles, we wrote an article which was accepted in 6/2021. And in this article, we demonstrate the instructional and the face validity of the tool by making an intervention online with children from 10 to 16 years old. So we're short on time, so I'm going to show you what is LearningML. Okay, this is the website, and these are the product I am developing. I'm going to show you LearningML, the advanced from the advanced version. And well, you can build machine learning models able to recognize text. I'm going to put in English the tool. Able to recognize text, images, or number. I'm going to make a fast demo of recognize image. I'm going to add 3 classes. The first class will be glasses. Okay, the second class face, and the third class cap. So my intention is to build a model able to recognize myself with glasses, without glasses, with my face naked, with a cap. So I will start by taking some images of myself with a cap. For example, first of all, sorry, I have to turn off the camera. Stop video, because I need the camera for the demonstration. Okay. I start again. Cap. Glasses and face. Okay. So let's start with the face. Okay, I'm going to take 20 more or less picture of myself with my face naked. Now I'm going to take some pictures of myself with glasses. Okay, I'm moving a little in order to check different images for myself. This is the essence of the machine learning, to take a lot of sample and to build a model able to generalize from this example. And now I'm going to take some photos of myself, some pictures with the cap. So this is the first stage, the first phase, or the first step in the machine learning building model to train. That is to collect an enough number of pictures of data, in this case, picture. Now we are going to build the model from this picture. This is the step of learn. So now the model is being built. It is it's a lot of, it consumes, sorry for my English, it consumes a lot of CPU. The machine learning algorithms are very expensive. So the third step is to try if the model works. Okay, we can see that it recognized me with the cap, now with the face, and now with the glasses. So when we have a model built and evaluated, we can make a program in Scratch. Okay, now it's Scratch an installation instance of a Scratch modified in order to include some blocks for use the model we have create right now. Okay, so I'm going to make a program very simple in order to use this model. It's a program that just put on the video, and it classifies the image. It classifies the image which comes from the video image. And the program has three costumes. No, the object has three costumes, which names is the same that the classes I have used when building the machine learning model: cap, face, glasses. So the program forever is going to classify the image and switch to the costume. So some kind of imitation is going to produce. So let's test the program. Okay, sorry. Okay, so if I wear my glasses, the object change also and make the same that I don't know, I made. So this is a very simple program built on Scratch, which use the machine learning model we have just built with the machine learning model editor. Okay, but this is not Snap. This is Scratch. But the next step I thought is, how can we incorporate Snap in LearningML? So I first thought to add another button with Snap and to use Snap in the same way that I have used Scratch. No, the first we build the model with the machine learning model editor, that is with this application. Once we have the model, we click in the Snap button and we can use Snap in the same way that we have used Scratch. No, the matter is to add some blocks to Snap in the same way that we have add this block to Scratch. But I thought that Snap is a more powerful programming platform. It's a complete programming platform. Snap allows through list, through function, programming object-oriented, function, object, and list, first-class citizen, etc. I mean, I think that Snap is a programming platform which is suitable for learn to program and to learn to program deeply, in depth. Scratch is okay in order to start to make the first steps programming, but Snap is better for learn to program right, no? For the people who want really learn to program. So I thought that I can remove the ML editor and add some blocks which allow to build ML model. That is, let's take the advantage of this fact so that the student learns to program the entire process of building ML models. No, and the result is the following one. Okay. Oh, sorry. The result is the following one. It's called ML Snap, and I'm going to the blocks. These are the blocks I have added. There are the blocks to classify, the same that in Scratch, the same thing that in Scratch. Blocks to classify and to compute the confidence for this classification, for text, for images, for numbers, but also I have added some blocks in order to build the machine learning model and set the machine learning algorithms, set the machine learning algorithm to neural network, to KNN, learn once we have the data, add images to the class we want. That is, with these blocks, we can build our own machine learning editor. I'm going to show you a demo, which is a bit more complex than in Scratch, of course, because not only use the machine learning model, but we build the machine learning model inside Snap. So this is the program. I have used some stages in order to run the different steps of machine learning process. So we have the train fast phase, and in this phase we collect some images of myself. Here the block the important block is this. Here we are going to add.
Juan, I'm sorry. I'm going to have to cut you off. Maybe I could just give you a minute to wrap up before we move on, though.
I finish right now. Okay, so I'm going to show. Well, this is the program, but there are 20 minutes. No, it's the presentation is for 20 minutes, and I have started at 13:10. I think it's right. Well, I continue. So in this phase, I'm going to collect all the images. In this one, I'm going to train and to run the machine learning algorithm in order to build the model. And finally, in this phase, we have to evaluate the model. Finally, we have built here a program similar to the ones I have shown you in the Scratch. So let's start. Okay. I'm going to collect data. First, I'm going to collect data from my face with glasses. Okay. Right now, it's collecting one picture each half second. Okay. Now I'm going to collect data from my face. Sorry. Okay. Right now, we are collecting 25 pictures of myself with my naked face. And finally, I'm going to collect data with my face with a cap. Okay, so when we finish this recording, we have all the data we need to build the machine learning model. So we are going to learn. No, it's training the model, it's building the model, sorry. This is as in the real life, the process of training a model is a very, very expensive process. Even you can spend more than 2 weeks in a high supercomputer in order for build a machine learning model with millions of data. Okay, done. Now we are going to evaluate. I'm going to take a photo of myself, and this here we have the classification. Glasses with a 93%, face as with a 99%, and cap with a 99%. And finally, in order to compare with the program I have made in Scratch, I'm going to show the same program in Snap. So the object imitates, the person imitates the thing I do. And well, this is the presentation of my work. Thank you for your time. And well, if you have any question, thank you very much.